Oh yeah, 12S beast. I don't know how much juice this one's got in it either. We got the gyro on her now too. 35%. Just try to hold that power straight. Try to hold this power straight. Here we go, boys. Beautiful, baby. And my grub screw's still stuck on this thing, y'all. It's insane. She levels right out there just like she's a little A scale. Oh, that was a rough one there, dude. That was amazing. Oh, I love this truck, yo. Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. Ripper, dude. Ripper, dude. Let's see if anything's hot. G2 Max 5 ESC ain't hot at all. Oh, boys, the motor's just fine still, too. She's just ripping, y'all. She's just ripping, y'all. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. This thing's amazing, dude. What? Oh, it cleared the road. Oh, it cleared the road, dude. My pinion came off finally, I think. No, it didn't. One wheel landings. Let's really give them something to look at, y'all. Actually, she ain't jumping as far as she was now. Oh, there's lipo cut. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. There's the battery cut. You get this bitch over here before it dies, I ain't gotta drag it. All right, y'all, if you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. That was amazing. Peace out, y'all. Y'all just got done talking to a gentleman over there. And guys, I'm going to tell you now, this thing, oh God, that motor's warm now. If you don't have a 5T, if you can make it possible in your, feasible in your yeah, make it happen. Look at this pinion gear, guys. Look at how wobbly this thing is. See how wobbly it is? It has no grub screws in it, 3 of them, not a single one's in it, and it's stuck on there. How do I get that off? Any suggestions? And we're going to have to cut it off my motor. That's a brand new 560 kV or 650 kV hobby wing in there. Max 5 G2, fully censored.
Somebody killed a deer and threw it in here.
Somebody killed a deer and threw it in there?
Yeah.
Well, that's disgusting. But yeah. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you're not, guys, please think about subscribing. It helps me out tremendously. It don't cost y'all nothing. And yeah, it helps me out tremendously. And you'll get to see plenty more of this, guys, because next time we take this out here, I'm going to, I think we're going to full send it. I'm barely tapping this thing on quarter throttle and playing with it. I think next time we're gonna full send it off there, boys and girls, see if we can't land her down here in the bottom slope. Till next time, peace out.